Cardano value expectation synopsis. As of the essentially the most recent update, Cardano certainly explicitly is exchanging at around $0.5564 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they fundamentally thought. The cost of one ADA would generally explicitly reach as kind of high as $1.66 United States dollars by 2025, which generally is genuinely critical. There generally in every practical sense is somewhat potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as decently fundamentally high as $10.59 toward the finish of 2030, showing how Cardano value expectation synopsis. As of the practically the most recent update, Cardano really is exchanging at around $0.5564 in every way that really matters. In spite of prevalent thinking, in a bullish situation, Cardano could outperform the $580.47 mark for 2050, exhibiting truly expected vertical energy in a decently genuinely significant manner, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, truly is expected to actually most certainly arrive at an in every way that really matters, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $448.31 constantly 2040, which fundamentally is very huge, which by and large is genuinely critical. Starting around 18 December 2023, Cardano certainly is exchanging at $0.5564 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.76% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is very critical. ADA sort of has a very lovely complete market cap of $19,660,825,935, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $626,475,495, which truly shows that Cardano, ADA, generally is expected to explicitly arrive at an entirely most extreme cost of $448.31 continuously 2040, which certainly is very critical. This explicitly makes Cardano, ADA, especially truly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, by and large truly further appearance, how this generally makes Cardano, ADA, fundamentally extremely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, which basically is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large in every practical sense is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Cardano for the most part be worth in 2040, or so they certainly especially thought. Is Cardano an especially wise speculation or reasonably extremely worth purchasing in 2040 in a truly significant manner? Will ADA cost generally outperform its record-breaking extremely high in a decently certainly huge manner, or so they thought? These basically are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, exhibiting that these truly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2040. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $0.6687, the normal truly least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to really essentially be $0.6114 in a by and large most certainly enormous manner. Besides, ADA can truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.6879 in a truly significant manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano value expectation December 2023, Cardano cost really is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.6114 to $0.6879 in December 2023. While the kind of typical cost of ADA for the December in a real sense stays around $0.6687 Cardano extremely all things considered, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 7.46% in its ongoing worth, or so they for the most part thought. In the event that we most certainly look at the truly current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a kind of significant manner. Cardano by and large is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, or so they truly thought. The ADA explicitly sort of is down to nearly 0.35% in the especially most recent 7 days, in a kind of significant manner. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for certainly past sort of couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a productive resource in sort of most certainly present moment. which generally shows that starting around 18 December 2023, Cardano explicitly essentially is exchanging at $0.5564 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.76% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a very especially enormous manner. Cardano Value Gauge 2040 Facts. What will by and large really be Cardano in every practical sense worth in 2040, which basically is very huge. The ADA cost for the most part is determined to generally basically arrive at a greatest degree of $0.6879, with truly least cost of $0.6114 toward the finish of 2040 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Does Cardano sort of by and large have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Cardano basically generally has a remarkable essentially potential to essentially generally arrive at new levels, which truly shows that the coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past especially couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for truly yet. We don't sort of explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, which in every way that really matters, shows that starting around 18 December 2023, Cardano sort of in a real sense is exchanging at $0.5564 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.76% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In spite of prevalent thinking, it essentially is conjecture that ADA will increment in esteem, exceptionally further appearance how in a bullish situation, Cardano could fundamentally outperform the $580.47 mark for 2050, displaying certainly especially likely vertical energy, pretty really in spite of prevalent thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can sort of in a real sense hit the greatest cost of $23.63 till 2030, showing how ADA especially has an all things considered complete market cap of $19,660,825,935, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $626,475,495. Which in a real sense generally shows that Cardano, ADA, sort of truly is expected to especially arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $448.31 continuously 2040, which especially is very huge, which is genuinely critical. Is Cardano certainly really worth purchasing in 2040, or so they explicitly thought amazingly? Cardano's incentive generally is supposed to really generally keep on growing, as deficiency will in general explicitly support cost rise, showing how in a bullish situation, Cardano could especially for the most part outperform the $580.47 mark for 2050, exhibiting especially fundamentally likely vertical energy, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Kindly note, there for the most part generally is a gamble to any venture, sort of genuinely further appearance, how Cardano's worth truly is supposed to generally keep on extending, as deficiency will in general in a real sense empower cost rise.